Pydantic AI's agent construction centers on declaring capabilities at initialization, and the code you are about to see demonstrates the simplest form of that pattern by passing a single, thinking capability with high effort to an agent configured for the Anthropic model. The student encounters an agent instantiated with a model identifier string and a capability list, followed by a synchronous run that produces a text output. You will observe the agent constructor wiring a provider model through the capabilities parameter, the thinking capability setting effort equals high, and agent run sync, executing a direct prompt before printing the resulting output.
From Pydantic AI import agent. From Pydantic AI, capabilities import thinking. Agent equals agent Anthropic. Claude Sonnet 4.6. Capabilities equals thinkingeffort equals high. Result equals agent. Run sync. Is the capital of France? Print result, output. The capital of France is Paris.
Agent instantiated with the thinking capability at effort equals high, then run via run sync with a simple question. The thinking capability enables model reasoning at a configurable effort level, using the unified thinking setting across providers. Run sync is the synchronous entry point that blocks until the run result is ready, wrapping the async run under the hood. High thinking effort trades extra tokens and latency for deeper reasoning. This is the simplest way to enable thinking without provider-specific config, since the capability abstracts provider differences into a single interface. Let's break it down line by line.
From Pydantic AI import agent.
Imports agent from Pydantic AI, the central class for building AI agents.
From Pydantic AI, capabilities import thinking.
Imports thinking, a Pydantic AI capability that enables model reasoning at a configurable effort level.
Agent equals agent Anthropic. Claude Sonnet 4.6. Capabilities equals thinkingeffort equals high.
Creates an agent bound to Anthropic's Claude Sonnet 4.6 model with thinking capability set to high effort.
Result equals agent. Run sync. Is the capital of France?
Invokes the agent with a plain text question about France's capital, blocking until the model responds, and stores the completed result.
Print result, output.
Prints the output field from the result object to the console. Agent construction in Pydantic AI is about wiring capabilities at initialization rather than after the fact. Here you pass thinking with effort set to high through the capabilities parameter, which abstracts provider differences into one interface and gives you deeper reasoning at the cost of extra tokens and latency. Then run sync blocks until the model responds, handing you a result whose output you print. The whole flow is a single capability declaration, turning into a configured agent, run, and response.
The agent threads, high thinking through run sync, and Paris surfaces, unbidden to the simplest question.